This is not Championship I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, not Polokwane City, not my brother. How do you feel about the game, Anamsan?
Anyway, the game was good,
Yeah.
but I was so very disappointed. Like it was against some police, I was so disappointed. I need to police in that team.
Yeah, it's good.
So that we can make movement in the middle of the park.
Yeah.
Because Serino and Tempers one, they were alone.
Yeah.
And then now,
Serino came in late.
not Serino, Alem and Tempers one, yeah. They were lost. They were not in the game.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, that's why I say I was disappointed. I needed to police in that game.
What about Mbuli? Or maybe Mbuli then?
No, Buddha said. Yeah, but you must. The one thing you must know, Umpule, some spell for our game, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if I got food, you can't pay me. And then if you feed, we came here, okay. Some police. It's always all around. Actually, according to me. But who is the minister of game?
Next year.
Yeah. And this was not good massive. Yeah.
So who was your minister?
I'm saying. I can't pick all of them, none of the men, but I will pick one.
Yeah.
I will pick one.
Yeah.
I will pick one. I think he played well.
He's number 4.
Yeah, he played well. He was all over the game, each and every loose ball. The guy ran by pass. I pass.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you.
Happy
Happy New Year. Yeah, thank you.